Okay, let's take a start with speaking part 1. Why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language?
As my opinion, if I go to the UK to learn, and there are many different languages to speak in there, so it is very important to learn language for those who live there. And
Okay, so there should be organization and clarity in your answer. Why do you think it is important to learn a foreign language? There are several reasons to learn a foreign language. First of all, if you go to a foreign country and you don't know their language, you fail to communicate with them. Secondly, then give the second reason and all that. Let's go on. How is it helpful to you to speak a foreign language? Now you can say, as I am planning to go to and there I will speak like that. Okay, so how is it helpful to you to speak a foreign language?
as I go to a foreign country,
As I am going to
I'm
a
go
foreign country,
there are many several times I speak on the other person. Like if I go to a restaurant and if I call the waiter to and will speak with him and ordering some food.
okay, this is not clear. I mean, grammatically, you should focus your sentence subject, verb, object, right? For example, how is it helpful to speak a foreign language? It is very helpful to me to speak a foreign language because I'm planning to go to which country?
UK.
UK, and there everybody speaks English. So if I speak English, I can communicate with people. On the other hand, I'm planning to do a job in UK, so without speaking English, I don't think I can do any job properly. So to answer your question, learning a foreign language like English is going to help me in my future.
Yes.
Just like this, okay? Let's go on. What is the most difficult part of learning a foreign language?
What is the
What is the most difficult part of learning a foreign language? Now, most difficult part is vocabulary, pronunciation, or all that.
the most important part of speak is
Pronunciation.
pronunciations and other things is tenses. And one is the most important part is present, which I speak on that time. And these parts are very important to
Okay, again, clarity issue. You should be very clear whatever you're speaking. What is the best way to memorize new words or new vocabulary?
it is best way to memorize our words is if सच का क्या जवाब दूं मैं?
What is the best way to memorize new words? In order to memorize new words, it's a good idea to write them on a piece of paper and read them again and again.
Yeah.
Once you learn a new word, try to use that word in your conversation. So this is how you can improve your vocabulary. Okay? All right. So let's go on. Would you like to learn any other language in the future?
Now I'm learning English to go UK
To go to UK.
to go to UK now, right now. But if I have choice, if I choose to learn another language like French, Chinese in the future, I like to choose,
I would like to
I would
learn.
like to choose this language.
Okay, all right. So clarity, grammar, these are two serious issues with you, right? Okay.